So the reason the car is not running right and I can't rev it is because the exhaust doesn't have any of the lambda sensors in it, and that measures the fuel air mixture coming out of the combustion chamber, so it doesn't really have a clue what it's doing. And the only reason we can suss out why there's no lambda sensors there is because there must have been an aftermarket exhaust on it, and before it's gone to the insurance, I think they've pulled off the exhaust, put the standard one back in, and not plugged anything in. We've got a solution, and it is almost illegal to put back on a standard exhaust on an SVJ. So first thing, let's get the standard exhaust off. So the goal is to get this SVJ running the way it should. And as it looks like this exhaust has just been thrown on, it's probably best for us just to start from scratch so we know exactly what's missing from the exhaust and from the engine bay.